Hello everyone, today we are opening a Charizard Ultra Premium Collection. We are going to show you everything you get inside, and we're going to open some packs for you just to kind of give you guys an idea. These are kind of hit and miss as far as for getting really good hits, but let's go ahead and open it up. One thing I want to point out that is really cool is this Charizard UPC. It comes like this, and if you open it up the correct way, you have these drawers. What a lot of guys do, and especially me, is I cut this cardboard piece off right here, this bottom piece, and you just simply, be careful when you're doing this. I'm gonna probably do the rest off camera, but you cut this off, and then you can actually keep this and use these drawers for different stuff. It's actually pretty cool. So this is what I mean, guys. And now you have these cool drawers, and you can set this on your table, and easily pull the drawers with your finger. Just put your finger in, pull the drawers out. Now let's show you everything you get. You get a little V-Star. I don't know, it's like an emblem type thing. Fusion Strike, Fusion Strike, Fusion Strike. Little token. Evo Cries, Evo Cries, Evo Cries. Vivid Voltage and Darkness Ablaze. And we're going to be opening these packs, my friends. You get some sleeves. You get dice, and don't be surprised if some of the dice are already out rolling around, and then you get these two metal, I don't know, tokens. I guess they're for the game. I'm not 100% sure. I don't play the game. I just collect cards. You do get this placemat, which is really nice. In fact, if you look down here, this is the placemat that you get. We actually have this out here on the open, which is pretty cool. And now let's open up and see here. These are the Charizard Premium promotion cards. Actually, they really, they don't look too bad. Let's actually open it up for you guys. This is what you get. And they are really nice cards. Just stunning cards. I love them. And we're going to give you guys the code. Just pause the video if you need to write the code down. And then you get Lost Origin, Astral Radiance, Astral Radiance, Astral Radiance, and 3 Brilliant Stars. I'm actually pretty... We got 2 Charizard ones. That's awesome. I'm going to clean this up, and we're going to go ahead and open this up then. Okay. First up is going to be Fusion Strike. Hopefully not Fusion Strikeout. We do not want that. We're going to go through these pretty quick. There's a holo and reverse holo. We will give you some codes throughout the opening, so watching the whole video, I highly recommend. Oof. This is definitely Fusion Strikeout. And here you go. Pause the video to write down the codes, my friends. Fusion Strikeout. Whew. That was rough. That was rough, my friends. Fusion was definitely Fusion Strikeout. So, Evo, Skies, Lost Origin, Brilliant Stars, they are 3 of my favorite sets. Not my top favorite, but they are in my top favorite. So we're going to do everything. This is Astral Radiance. Oh my goodness. Another strikeout. My friends. Come on. Well, you know what? I don't care if we strike out on these. Brilliant Stars, Evo Cries, and Lost Origin are the 3 closest that I have completed. I have others completed, but I'm pretty close to completing them. Oh my goodness. Those junk holos. I know some people absolutely love holos. I am not one of them. I mean, I like the style. They're cool. But I don't call that a hit. That was brutal, my friends. That was another brutal. Astral Radiance. Can we have some one pack magic with Darkness Ablaze? So far, this UPC is just being... Wow. Alright, guys. You need a code for all that pain we've had so far. Come on. Vivid Voltage. Come in here. We love Pikachu. Pikachu is my favorite card, and then Gengar is my second favorite. Pikachu's gonna come with a hit. We know it. We know it. Oh, yes. I mean, come on. We got a VMAX. We'll take it. I actually don't know if I have that one yet. We will definitely take it, and then you guys go. Oh, wait. Get rid of that one. Nice one-pack magic. Let's do, since it's only two Lost Origin, we're going to do Lost Origin. Now, I don't know if every UPC comes with the same packs. I think they do, but I'm not 100% sure. Oof. That was rough. Another one. Oh, I keep forgetting. The ones that I give you guys, I don't want to put back down here. Oh, my word. Wow. One hit so far. Oh, my word. Brilliant Stars and Evo Cries. I mean, Evo Cries, I'm not even going to tell you what we have into Evo Cries. Let's just say you could buy a car. That's kind of cute card. I don't think I've ever seen that one. Yes, for what I have into Evo Cries, you could buy a car. And not just a beat up one, but you can actually get a pretty decent sports car. Oh, more Evo Cries. Oh, you are so brutal. Evo Cries is so brutal to me. They are so brutal. That's why we call it Evo Cries. It's Evolving Skies, but we call it Evo Cries. Many of you guys call it Evo Cries because of the cries that you get. Nothing but cries. Oh my goodness. I mean, I know that it's so brutal. By the way, we're still looking for the Moonbreon. We're looking for that one. That's our chase. That's what we're trying to go for. We have all but 12 cards, and the Moon has been just... Oh, this has been rough. I am very disappointed. My goodness, we have tried packs from all over the place. Different things from different people from all over the world. Are we really... Okay, we have a hit here. Brilliant Stars is giving us a... I mean, that's a very weak hit. Oh my goodness, my friends. Now, I know what most of you guys are thinking, but this doesn't seem worth it. Don't forget you get those, promo... You get the promo cards. That definitely helps soften the blow a little bit with those promo cards. And again, it's hit or miss. Not everybody is going to have only 2 hits. Some people might have 5 or 6 or 7 hits. Oh, what am I doing? Oh my word. So, and as you guys can see here, these are all bulk cards. So you get a lot of cards. I mean, that's a lot of bulk. This is Hollows, Rares, and Reverse Hollows. Decent amount. And of course some code cards. But yeah, we're gonna sleeve these. I mean, I think I already have this one. This is really... Yeah, I don't need to sleeve that one. I don't think I have that one. We'll still put in a penny sleeve, but not top load it. Most V cards I have, I always sleeve. Because you never know, just because it's a couple cents now, you never know the future. So I always just sleeve V cards. And then I sleeve and top load any card that I need. So this one I think I need. We're going to go ahead and top load it. But yeah, that's what you get, guys.